Welcome to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. Don't forget to click on the bell symbol when you are subscribing, and this will help you to get notification from YouTube anytime a new video is being uploaded on the channel. So this is the results that we are going to look through from one of the lottery system, which is 590. So this 590 lottery winning strategy that I want to share with you. So today's video is in connection with the number single 3 and 49 as two sure. Single 349 as two sure or two direct set of numbers. Alright, so how the system drop single 349 as two direct is what I want to share with you. The system may have different ways of dropping the two numbers, but a unique one that I have found based on the result that we are having here is what I'm sharing with you. I want you to check something according to the plan. This is event number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Event number 4. When you go to its machine number or machine numbers, we have single 3 at the first position. Alright. And when you come to the next results, okay, its winning numbers, we have 49 at first position. So this means that single 3 at first position machine mapping to 49 at first position in winning the next results. So this means that when this arrangement is being achieved or this mapping is being achieved, the next results, you need to select the two numbers, single 3 and 49, to be your two direct set of numbers. So these are positional numbers keys, but maybe the system can drop single 3 at any of these positions or 49 at any of the position. When you see that it has arranged in that way, better still, you can try your luck on the two direct single 349, the next result. But just that you don't have to invest too much. But when the two numbers appears at the same positions, the next results, you can stick any amount that you want to invest. Alright, so check. We have 73, 29, and 65. That dropped with the two numbers. This means that when you are picking the two numbers as your two direct, you can add the three numbers to make your five numbers permutation. So this is what I want to share with you. If you like most of these teachings, please follow the channel, like the video, and share the video. These are charts, these are keys. Alright? So I'm going through the system to find out those that are set before. Then I'm giving it to you. Alright. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.